I just don't know how you beat this, folks. $0 down, 0 out of pocket, got a new roof, 3 trees removed. That's a 50-year GAF roof. I know there were some issues leaking around your chimney. You can see up here, on that side, they've got some new flashing. And once she gets these other trees cleared out, they're going to replace this fence, which is cool. So this was the problem area that I was concerned about. They had a lot of patches and a lot of leaks right here, and now they don't. So pull out, we'll recap the 3 trees that were removed, and then there's her roof shop. All new cap,